What's the meaning of comfortless? Comfortless. Comfortless.
Comfortless. Comfortless. Comfortless means lacking in comfort, without ease or consolation. When something is comfortless, it's not providing any form of contentment or relief. It's a state of discomfort, where one feels uneasy, anxious, or unhappy. A person who is comfortless may feel isolated and abandoned, as if they have no one to turn to for aid or solace. This could lead to feelings of hopelessness and depression if they are unable to find comfort from within themselves or from others. Being comfortless is a difficult state that can make life seem unbearable.